So here I have leftover takoyaki mix, spring onions, already chopped, leftover cabbage. Cabbage and takoyaki mix in an eyeball. Should be good. And some water. Looks like I put too much water, so I'm gonna add more mix and mix together. I thought this, spring has come already, but it's still, again, we went backward to the winter. It's getting chill again. I'm happy. I like cold. Actually, I hate summer. It's a spring onion. I'm gonna put some here. This is a very good recipe. I mean, it's not even a recipe, just leftover cabbage. Whenever I have a leftover cabbage, I make okonomiyaki. I think, yeah, should be good. All right. Okay, now I am going to scoop. What I like to do is make it as thin as possible, because in my recipe, I don't know if I can call this a recipe, but I just use too much cabbage, so I want to make it as thin as possible. Okay, and cook. Then you get that sizzling sound. Oh, I think I can put some cheese. Yes, this is a brilliant idea. I'm gonna put some cheese on top. Like that. Oops, the cheese are burned. Ooh, looks nice. Look at that. Hey. it's ready. Bonito flakes. Katsuobushi. Put on top of this Okonomiyaki. And oh, bad news. I only have this much mayonnaise left. Oh. And this is a sauce for okonomi sauce. And go like that. And mayonnaise like this. Not enough, but yay! Looks good. Yay! いただきます。